Welcome to Complete C Language Programming course. C is known as mother of all programming languages. A lot of compilers are written in C. Thus, whenever it comes to programming, C is considered as the best for the beginners to learn. My name is Shirish and I will be your instructor throughout this course. We will start through basic of C, basic of programming, and we will learn about 28 to 30 programming in this video. When I started C, I was really confused about the syntax and codes, but we really took initiative in this. We will complete this course within 15 to 20 days. The all we need is time, so devote some time to this course and we will definitely learn and master C. If you want to support this initiative, hit the like button and subscribe my channel.
Let us start programming now. We will do our programs in Turbo C++ application. The #include directive tells the C preprocessor to include the contents of the file specified in the input stream. stdio.h is a preprocessor command that includes standard input-output header files. conio.h is console input-output header file which manages input-output on console-based application. Void main is the entry point for execution in C program. Thereafter, #include stdio.h, conio.h and void main are the unique syntax used for all our programming codes. Open curly bracket is used for the beginning of the main function and clr is used to clear the previous output in the output window. Printf is the name of one of the main C output function and stands for printed format, which is compulsory given in open and close bracket along with open and close inverted commas ending with semicolon compulsory. /n is the new line character. It moves the cursor to the starting of the next line. getch is the function which waits for any character input from keyboard. This function ends our program. Thereafter, running our program, we will get our output as shown. This was our first question, display in output as shown in input. And the output we got is, hello guys, we are learning C, as given in input. Now we are doing second simple program to print hello and your name. As we have seen in last program about the unique syntax, which is must and should to be used in all the programs, followed by clr which is used to clear the previous program output window. Now in printf function, we have to print hello followed by our name by inputting in open and close bracket and double inverted commas and ending with semicolon compulsory. Thereafter, getch is the function which is used to end our program. By running our program, we will get output as hello and our name. This was our second program. This is our third program and we will get some information about history of C language through this C program. First, as intended, we have to start our program with unique syntax followed by clr function and upcoming by printf function to give in printed format in output window. History of C language tells us that C language was developed at Bell Laboratory in USA in past 1972 and it was written by Dennis Ritchie in the past decades of 1970. Thus, it is divided into two types, that is problem-oriented language and machine-oriented language, and C is also called as middle language. Thus, this is the short C language history. By ending our program, we will get the output as history of C language. This was our third program. We will start our fourth program that will accept two numbers from user and perform 4 basic mathematical operations along with square and cube of n number. As told through all previous program about the syntax which is unique for all the programs followed by CLR SCR function. Here in this program we are going to do some basic mathematical operation, so we have to define it through int function and store it in variable value in it. We have taken the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. We have asked the user for the two whole numbers that will stored in alphabet A and B. We have taken A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5. Now the alphabet C will do the addition of two numbers, that is C is equal to A plus B. Same D alphabet will perform the subtraction operation, that is D is equal to A minus B. Now E and F alphabet will perform the multiplication and division operation, that is E is equal to A into B and F is equal to A divided by B. G and H alphabet will perform the square and cube operation of n number given by the user. Now to display the result of our operation, we will use the printf function. %d will print the decimal or integer value in our output window. Get.ch will end our program. Now the addition is 15, subtraction is 5, multiplication is 50, division is 2, square is 100 and cube is 1000. Thus this is our fourth program, the 4 basic mathematical operation and square and cube of number. As we start our fifth program, that is we have to accept two values from user in input, but while we have to interchange the value in output window. As necessary, we will start our code from the syntax which is unique, followed by CLR SCR function. Here we are using int function and store the variables value in alphabet A and B asked from the user. We have taken A is equal to 100 and B is equal to 200. Now by using printf function, we are inputting as interchange value of A is equal to %d. %d, B will do the work of printing the decimal or integer value. The logic used here is by exchanging A and B alphabet after %d. Get.ch will end our program. And the output we got is A is equal to 200 and B is equal to 100. The numbers are interchanged. This was our fifth program. Here we are with our sixth program, that is accept the marks of 6 subjects from the user and calculate the total and average of the 6 subjects given by the user. We have to start this code with the unique syntax followed by open curly bracket and CLR SCR function to clear the previous output window. Here we define int that will contain the only whole number stored in the user 6 subjects, that are English, Hindi, Physics, Chemistry, Maths and Biology, and the total continuous with average. The marks given by the user for his 6 subjects like example are English as 94, Hindi as 97, Physics as 91, Chemistry as 82, Maths as 88 and Biology as 91. We will find total by adding all the 6 subjects and average by adding 6 subjects and dividing it by 6. Thus we can say these are the formulas for total and average. We have to display our total and average of 6 subjects in output window. So we will use printf function to display it in printed format. And getCH function will end our program, and the output we got after running our program is total 544 marks and average as 90 marks. This was our 6th program to find total and average of 6 subjects given by user. We have reached our 7th program and we are going to start with our new function, that is Scanf function. As necessary, we have to start our code with the syntax which is unique, followed by clr function which is used to clear the previous output window. We define integer ab to store the decimal value in the alphabet a and b. Here, in printf function, we will ask the user to enter the value of user's choice in output window. And the scanf function is a function that reads formatted data from printf function. In scanf function, after %d, the %a operation is used to get the address of the variable. Example, %a will give the address of the variable a, and %b will give the address of the variable b. Printf is a function will print the two values given by the user in output window because of scanf function. And the getCH function will end our program. When we run our program, we will get the output as shown. I have entered that a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. This is the use of scanf function. This was our 7th program we have done. Now we are going to start our 8th program, and the question is accept a number from user and display it as even or odd by using scanf function and if and else condition. Let me tell you what is if and else condition. The if and else condition in C is used to perform the operation based on some specific condition. We will start our code with the unique syntax followed by clr function to clear the previous output window. We define int to store the decimal value in alphabet A. Printf function will ask the user to create any value and get stored in alphabet A. The scanf function will read the formatted data from printf function, and %a will get the address of alphabet A. Now we are giving the condition if and else. The condition if and else is given in open and close bracket, that is a %2 equals to 0. See, this logic is used to know whether the value entered by the user is even or odd. Here %2 equals to 0 means the value of n is a number that is divisible by 2 and has no remainder left, and that is any number entered by the user is even. and equals to operation is used to compare LHS equal to RHS. If the condition is satisfied, then we will get the output as dot dot number is even. Otherwise, the else condition will work on it and print the number is odd. While we run our program, we'll get to see that when I give number a equals to 2, it will print as the number 2 is even, and when I give the number 1, it will print as odd. We are going to start our 9th program now on the same condition, that is if and else condition. Here the question will be accept any year from user by using Scanf function and display it whether the year is leap year or non-leap year. We will start our code with the unique syntax followed by the clr function, which is used to clear the previous output window. We define int a to store the decimal value in alphabet A, and printf function will ask the user to enter any value and get stored in alphabet A. While scanf function will read the formatted data from printf function, and amphor will get the address of the alphabet A. Now we are giving the condition if and else. The if condition is given in open and close bracket, as we are giving a %4 equals to 0. See, this logic is used to know whether the year entered by the user is leap year or non-leap year. The %4 equals to 0 means the year entered by the user is divisible by 4 and has no remainder left, that the year is leap year. Otherwise, the while condition will work on it and it will print as non-leap year. The operation equals to is used to compare LHS and RHS value. Get.ch function is used to close our program. By running our program, we get the output as if I entered the year A equals to 2021, it will print as the year 2021 is non-leap year. And if I entered the year as A equal to 2020, it will print as the year is leap year. This was our 9th program. So this ends our first part of our video. We will be soon back with the second part of this course, and the link to download Turbo C++ is mentioned in the description down, and also the written definition and the programs we have finished till now are enclosed down with the link. So please give me a like and subscribe my channel.